Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you a very beautiful blend of two colors, which is the blue lake and the white. If you don't have the same shades as me, don't worry about it, just pick out any other colors. This one is from Vincent & Newton, but it is their Chinese version, so I don't know if it is their original or some fake version of it, but I did get it on a legit website, so I'm assuming it's their original one. So for today's video, I've got an acrylic sheet. This is a little over 400 GSM, and I'm going to be using these colors directly from the tube. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of the blue lake on top and the white at the bottom. So I'm using both the white and the blue of the same brand. You can also mix up different brands, don't worry about it. Just make sure that they're the same body. That is, sometimes you get heavy body acrylics, sometimes you get fluid acrylics. So just make sure that it's the same style that you're using. So mine is medium, it is not heavy body. So I'm making sure that my brush is just about a little wet, and I'm going left to right in terms of the direction. So you can see that the paint is not too strong, the pigments, you can see some of the paper through. So when I add white to it, it is really bringing out the colors quite well. It becomes completely opaque and it's very beautiful to see. So I like doing this style. I like a little bit of, I don't want it to be, I want it to be pretty opaque. I don't want the watercolor paper to be seen through. Then it becomes like watercolors, which is why I like to use acrylics the way it is. So the white in this brand is pretty thick, which is why I required a little bit of water. There is some blue in my brush and I'm just going with the flow. I like the way it's going, where it's blue and then there's a little bit of white and then there's some blue. Now if you don't get the same style when you're doing your blending, it's alright. So what you can do if you want blue, white and blue is, instead of having just two blobs of colors, you can add blue first on the top, white in the middle and a little bit of blue at the bottom. And when you do the same stroke, make sure that your brush is going in the same direction and you're doing it non-stop. Not too much of water, otherwise it will become like watercolors and you will get a similar effect. So I hope today's video was useful for you. Do leave a comment over here if you like this video, and I will see you soon for the next tutorial. Bye bye.